Well, Conor McGregor, let's be honest, is a PR machine, he's a marketing machine. He says all the right things, he does all the right things. He's loud, he's brash, he's confident, you know, and he's a massive name. He's made mixed martial arts what it is, UFC. He's made it massive because of the way he conducts himself and his performances in the ring as well, or in the octagon. That loss to Diaz and then the rematch, you know, he done well. But you know, I've said it before and I'll say it again, to stick him in a boxing ring, you've really got to be concerned for what he's going to do, how he's going to do it, how he's going to have his success. And he's fighting Floyd Mayweather, who's, you know, for me, the best fighter amongst some of the best fighters that's ever lived. Sugar Ray Robinson aside, he's one of the best fighters out there. But he's been out of the ring 2 years. It's going to be a really, really tough task for Conor McGregor. But one thing it is, it's fascinating. It's, you know, what's going to happen and the whole dramatics and the build-up, almost pantomime. I don't want to rubbish it and say it's a pantomime, but you know, nobody's really given McGregor a chance. But he's really confident, really believes himself. He's young, and Mayweather's been out of the ring a few years, so or a couple of years. Yeah. So you just never know if McGregor catches him, what's going to happen, or if he takes him into the late rounds, and if Mayweather's not been training, not been keeping his eye in the gym, like we all think he has, then he could really come unstuck, and that would be so bad for Mayweather to lose to somebody who's never had a boxing match, and really tarnish his legacy and ruin his record. He's retired undefeated. To come back, if it went wrong, what a bad mistake it is. And I think this is why it's so interesting and why people are so interested in the fight and intrigued. I expect Mayweather to really do a job on McGregor, but it could be interesting.